Now let us start the new number, that is number 4, and LHS is what? 1 plus sec A upon sec A, that is equals to I want sin square upon 1 minus cos A. Okay, now see, I want sin square, so I should take sec means what? 1 upon cos. Sec means again 1 upon cos. LCM, cos banza cos plus 1 upon 1 upon cos. Cos cancel, so this is cos A plus 1 or 1 plus cos A. Both denominator are same, so they are cancelled. Now take RHS. RHS right side is sin square upon 1 minus cos. Sin square A upon 1 minus cos, not cos square, remember. Now I apply the identity because I want cos A plus 1 or 1 plus cos A. Sin square A equal to 1 minus cos square A upon 1 minus cos A. Here we use the identity sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. 1 minus cos square, factorize it. A square minus B square. This is 1 square minus this is cos A the whole square upon 1 minus cos A. A square minus B square. A square minus B square can be factorized at A minus B, A plus B. So 1 minus cos A, 1 plus cos A. Upon denominator is 1 minus cos A. Okay, 1 minus cos A cancel, so answer is 1 plus cos A. In this way we can prove that LHS equals to RHS. Now suppose you don't want to simplify both, means LHS and RHS. Then from LHS or another method, from LHS, this one remains common. We prove this is 1 plus cos A or cos A plus 1. This. After that I need this sin square upon 1 minus cos A. So you want to prove this. Means I need what? 1 minus cos A in the denominator. So here there is no denominator, means denominator is what? 1. Now 1 plus cos A upon 1. Now multiply this by 1 minus cos A upon 1 minus cos A. Okay, because I need 1 minus cos A in denominator, so I multiplied in numerator and denominator so that question should not be changed. If it is cancelled, then question remain as it is. Now this is what? A plus B into A minus B, that is A square means 1 square minus B square means cos square upon 1 minus cos A. 1 minus cos square is what? Sin square A upon 1 minus cos A. In this way you can bring your RHS directly from LHS. Okay? So whatever you like. અહીંયા આયા પછી સપોઝ તમને ખબર નથી પડતી તો સિમ્પ્લિફાય RHS and bring the same answer. અને માનો કે થોડા ઇન્ટેલિજન્ટ છો, માની લો, તો આને આ રીતે સિમ્પ્લિફાય કરીને લેફ્ટ સાઈડ ટુ રાઈટ સાઈડ you can do it. 5 number. LHS is what? Cos A minus sin A plus 1 upon cos A plus sin A minus 1. Answer I want cos A k plus cot A, and the still question is there. Using the identity cos x square A equals to 1 plus cot square. Means simplify this and bring out this answer. Prove that this with the help of only the given identity cos x square. I need cosec. You know that cosec is what? Reciprocal of sine. So divide each term by sin A. So cos A upon sin A, sin A upon sin A, 1 upon sin A. Cos A upon sin A, sin A upon sin A, 1 upon sin A. Okay, in this way divide each term by sin A. Now see, this sin A will be cancelled. So this is cos upon sin, means I can write cot A. Sin cancel means 1, plus 1 upon sin means cosec A. Cos A upon sin A means cot A, plus 1. 1 upon sin means cosec A. Once again see the right side. What is your right side? Cosec A plus cot A. I want cosec A plus cot A. See in the numerator. Cosec A is there, cot A is there. I don't need this. Minus 1. So I place the identity because the question is there. Use this identity. So I write what? Cot A plus cosec A minus 1 upon denominator, keep it as it is. Now place the value of 1, whatever given in your question. 1 means what? Cosec square A minus cot square A. So we use this identity according to our question. Cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Now see, factorize. A square minus B square. Cot A plus cosec A minus A square minus B square, that is A minus B, cosec minus cot, into another bracket A plus B, cosec plus cot, upon cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Okay, now see from the numerator, you can take cot A plus cosec common, this bracket. Cot A plus cosec A common. Remaining is, this bracket comes out, so nothing is there, so 1 is there. So cot A plus cosec A, ones are the same. Minus, remaining is this bracket we take it out. So minus this bracket, open the bracket, minus cosec A plus cot A upon cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. See the denominator and see one bracket in numerator. 1 plus 1 minus cosec A minus cosec A plus cot A plus cot A. The total bracket and denominator will cancel. Your answer is cot A plus cosec A. We bring it by using this identity, this one, which is given in your question. Okay, so you have to write it 2 to 3 times, otherwise it is not possible for you. Now 6th number. LHS, square root of 1 plus sin A upon 1 minus sin A, and I want to prove sec A plus tan A. See the right hand side. I want to prove sec A plus tan A in numerator. In denominator, nothing. Nothing means 1. It means what? I want to simplify this denominator and I want to bring 1 in the denominator. Is it okay? This is the method how to think. Now see, don't worry about square root. Square root, keep it as it is. 1 plus sin A upon 1 minus sin A. I want to simplify denominator, so I should multiply this term A minus B multiplied by A plus B. Okay, this is called rationalizing factor. that you have learnt in 9th standard. A minus b into a plus b, so that it will be a square minus b square. See, square root as it is. Now in the numerator, a plus b into a plus b, that is a plus b the whole square. A minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square. 1 square 1 minus sine square. 1 plus sine a the whole square. 1 minus sine square means cos square. Now square and square root cancel. Here also square and square root cancel. So it will be 1 plus sine a upon cos a. Okay. Now see, in 6th number, your right hand side is what? Your right hand side sec a plus tan a. So now split it, because in the denominator there is only one term. So you can split 1 upon cos a plus sin a upon cos a. 1 upon cos is called sec. Sin upon cos is called tan. So sec a plus tan a, that is equals to RHS. Okay. 7th number, LHS. There is a sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta upon 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. I want tan theta as RHS. See here. See, from the numerator take sin theta common. Remaining is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. From the denominator take cos theta common. 2 cos square theta minus 1. Your answer is what? Means RHS is what? Tan theta, you want it. You know sin upon cos is tan. So this is your answer. It means it is cancelled. Okay? But not now. But when you place sin square value or cos square value, out of these two, change any one and try to become same. Sin theta, keep it as it is, 1 minus 2. What is the formula of sin square? 1 minus cos square. Upon cos theta, 2 cos square theta minus 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Sin theta, 1, open the bracket, 2 1s are 2, minus minus plus 2 cos square theta upon cos theta into 2 cos square theta minus 1. Sin theta, 2 cos square positive, so I write it first. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Okay? Cancel. Sin upon cos, and sin upon cos is called tan theta. This is your right hand side, very easy. So write down this and write down for 3 to 4 times.